Well, today the U.S. Supreme Court upheld a 30-year federal ban on firearms for people under domestic violence restraining orders.
The justices ruled 8-1 in favor of the 1994 ban. KVUE's Jessica Cha joins us here in the studio with more about the ruling and who the ban is intended to help. Jessica.
That's right, Brian. So this case goes back to 2020 when Zaki Rahimi had guns despite being banned from having them after his girlfriend filed a protective order against him. His lawyers argued in court that it violated his Second Amendment rights. But domestic violence groups say the Supreme Court's decision today will help protect people. Safe Alliance's president and chief legal officer, Leslie Varghese, says the ruling is a huge win for public safety. She says every month, 70 women are shot by a partner in the U.S., and that 1 in every 4 domestic violence cases involves some threat of gun violence. So for her, today's ruling is a relief.
But also children. I don't think the majority of people believe that unfettered access, when there is a demonstrable threat to public safety and to a victim's safety, which is demonstrated by going and securing that protective order, I don't believe that most people believe that that should be an unfettered right. And I think we can find common ground in wanting to keep folks safe in our community.
She says Safe Alliance will be able to tell clients that protective orders matter. And then just the last 30 minutes, we heard from the Texas Gun Rights Foundation, and they wrote in quote part that the Supreme Court's ruling reaffirms the government's ability to enforce firearm regulations aimed at preventing violence, but it also raises concerns about potential overreach and the misuse of restraining orders. The Safe Alliance says that if you need help or you know someone in a domestic violence situation, you can call their anonymous 24-hour hotline at 512-267-SAFE. In studio, Jessica Cha, KVUE News.